Okay, and again, just just regarding this question, after you testing and save the data for a while, like 1 year or half year, okay, after that you will know which IC is going fail and which IC is changing, which IC impedance have some leakage by VI, by functional testing. It's not only by ABI system, it's by your work, maintenance engineer. You need to regularly to test the PCB. Not every month, probably 3 months or half a year. Just like the power plant, they have they need to maintenance every year, and during the maintenance time, they will go to the control room and take up all of the PC and put it into our system to test that. That's a predictive testing. Okay. If
Yeah,
we want to know,
and this particular example people can watch on YouTube. If they head to
yes,
our YouTube channel, they'll be able to just search for the videos there, or just search on YouTube ABI BoardMaster nuclear power plant. You will see a customer in South Korea, nuclear power plant in South Korea, using BoardMaster for predictive testing. And just yesterday, I was on the phone with someone in Mexico, a company in Mexico, big multinational textile manufacturing company, and they're doing exactly that. They're just moving away from doing just a corrective maintenance and repair to doing predictive. So they want to anticipate the fault. They want to intervene before the PCB becomes faulty. And of course, we're not talking about every single PCB on textile found on a textile machine, just the most critical, maybe the most expensive ones, those that are perhaps obsolete, or those that would take the longest for the repair part, or for the spare part to be sent through by the manufacturer. So companies have the ability to use our system not just to do corrective repair, but also predictive test by learning, saving data, seeing how the components degrade, how fast the components degrade, and then plan accordingly, plan interventions accordingly.